We're on ON2's stand here, and I have Eero Kaikkonen with me to tell me a little bit about what they do. Eero, thank you. Tell us, you're here with a new codec, I see. Tell us what that is and what that's about.
All right. It's what we have here is our latest new format, which is called DVB-H. It's the latest generation of the formats we have, and what we're doing here, we're comparing that against the H.264 and showing that we can have like extremely better quality with the same bandwidth, or you can say you get the same quality level with the lower bandwidth, and that's the main purpose of the DVB-H.
So people formatting at the moment, they're mainly using 264, are they?
In fact, in the internet space, the Flash in general, the Flash ecosystem is the most widely spread, and they're using three formats. One of them will be DVB-6, which is done by ON2.
Okay, so with this new format, you're saying you're getting benefits in bandwidth. Give us some idea of the scale of that.
What we've been doing quite a lot of the comparison between H.264 and DVB-H, and we see up to 50% bandwidth benefits on DVB-H with same quality level, so quite remarkable.
Okay, and having developed that, how do you then go to market? What's your market for that?
We will start with the content. Content is the king. So we're already doing beta testing with some content owners, people creating the content on the web, and then going from there, you're having the playback. You need to have the playback. You have to have everything else as well. But we will start with the content owners. Yesterday, when we were announcing DVB-H, we already told that we're working closely with companies like Move Networks in the content side, ARM, to make sure that it will be running on the mobile phone. So we need the whole chain from the content to consumers, basically.
And the mobile operators, they are always interested in solutions that will keep them relevant and involved, and B, increase their user case. So how might you help there?
That's one of the major targets for the DVB-H, was that we will develop something that is good from the high definition 1080p down to the mobile phone space, like 50 kilobits, and that's what we have done. So we have really great color quality already in the 50 kilobits, even lower than that, and that's where we're targeting for the mobile phone space, to make sure that the users get the good quality and a good experience also on the mobile phone space.
And getting onto the phones themselves, is that a difficult challenge in this market?
Yeah, there's two challenges, of course. There's the commercial challenge to make everybody use it, but there's also the technical challenge, of course. But that's where we're working closely with ARM to make sure that the technical challenges will be going away.
And give us some idea of how you view the mobile market in terms of scale and development, if you think, and in terms of volumes and timescales.
I think it's more and more getting clear that the convergence is finally taken here. So if you are like a content owner, you have to think all the three screens. You have to think about the TV, you have to think about the PCs, but you have to think about the mobile device at the same time. So it will be a part of the ecosystem going forward. So it's a necessity for content owners.
And here at IBC, are you seeing a lot of interest on from the mobile side? You're in the mobile booth here.
Oh yes, absolutely, and it's been really an eye-opener for a lot of people. It's seeing is believing in this business. So when we can show the demos, show the quality levels we can use in 50 kilobits, it's really opens the eyes of the people. So it's been a lot of interest here.
Okay, thank you.